Have you ever tried uploading a file to Google Drive only to get that frustrating message saying your storage is full? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and complete guide to fixing the Google Drive storage full problem in 2025. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a few pro tips to make sure this issue never happens again. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see all your files and folders. The first step to freeing up space is identifying what's taking the most storage. Large video files, old projects, and duplicates are usually the main culprits. Select any file you no longer need, then click the trash bin icon to delete it. Now, here's the part most people forget. Deleting a file doesn't actually free up your storage yet. Those deleted files move to a temporary area called the bin or trash, and they still count toward your total storage. To truly clear space, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Bin. You'll see everything you've deleted recently. Select all the files inside, then click Delete Forever. Be careful. This step is permanent, and you won't be able to recover those files later, but once you confirm, you'll immediately free up real space on your Google Drive. Next, it's a good idea to double check what's using up space in your Google account storage overall. Go to one.google.com/storage and you'll see how your space is divided between Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If Gmail attachments or photos are using too much, you can clear those too. And here's a bonus tip. Make it a habit to review your Drive once a month. Delete old backups, unused documents, or large shared files you no longer need. Regular cleanups will keep your account light and fast. So that's it. Your Google Drive should now have plenty of space again. If this helped you, drop a comment below and share how much space you managed to free up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.